Hi everyone, my name is Perfect and I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do mensuration, focusing mainly on calculating the length of an arc, the perimeter of a sector, and the area of a sector. And I have an example with me here, which says in the diagram, AOB is a sector of a circle center O. The radius of a circle is close to 6.5 centimeters, and angle AOB is 120 degrees. So angle AOB is 120 degrees and our radius OB and OA are 6.5 centimeters. In case you don't know what is a sector is a portion of a disc enclosed by two radii and an arc. So an arc and two radiuses makes a sector. So our first question here is saying calculate the length of an arc AB. So the formula for the length of an arc is Peter over 360 times 2 pi r. Our Peter represents our angle. So our angle AOB is 120 over 360 times 2 times pi. You can use 22 over 7 or 3.142. So let us use 3.142 times the radius 6.5. So 120 divided by 360, we get 0.3333 times 2 times 3.142 times 6.5. So let us punch this on the calculator. So all this we get 13.6139. So let us round this to 3 significant figure. So it becomes 13.6. So this is our answer. Let me write down here 13.6 centimeters. So our part 2 says calculate the perimeter of the sector AOB. Perimeter of the sector AOB. So the formula for the perimeter of AOB of the sector is 2 radius plus Peter over 360 times 2 pi r. In other words, is the formula of the length of an arc plus radius. So we have already calculated as you can see, this is the formula for the length of an arc plus the radius. So we have already calculated the length of an arc, which is 13.6. So let us write down here 13.6 plus 2 radius. So our radius is 6.5. So we write down 2 times 6.5 plus 13.6. So 6.5 times 2 is 13. 2.5 2 times 6.5 is 13 plus 13.6. Here it's 0. So if we add 13.0 and 13.6, we get 6 here, 26.6 centimeters. So this is our answer, 26.6. So if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let us continue. The third question is saying the area of the sector AOB. So the formula for the area of the sector is Peter over 360 times pi r squared. So our Peter is 120 divided by 360 times our pi, which is 3.142, times our radius, which is 6.5 squared. So here we get 0.333 times 3.142 times 6 squared, 6.5 squared. We get 42 44.25. So all this we get 44.245. So these two 3SF, we get 1, 2, 3. We get 44.2 square centimeters. This is the area. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And comment down below the topics you want me to cover. And please check this video out. That's where I covered mensuration of solid shapes. And I'll see you in the next one.